And welcome to a quick video just to push out some of the information that we shared with those that attended the Accounting Business Expo last week. So just going to quickly show you some really cool stuff using a tool called Deer for Excel automation. This is a basic pivot chart, but you're able to see multi-entities. So you can just click here and change all of that. We can see different tracking codes as well. And there's actually two levels of tracking codes. We can also change the account type and draw down even further to that, and even modify some of the periods. So this is a pretty cool tool, all fully automated, and ultimately using the Deer functionality to pull through. This is another one. It just shows you information over time, so you can look at different quarters. Again, multi-entity, so we can select one entity or two entities and different tracking codes, different periods or all periods. We can show as much as we want, and slicing and dicing. So this is cool analytics, all within our favorite app called Excel. So stay tuned for more, and click below to get access to both this Excel file and for our slides. Thanks, everyone, and stay tuned for more great, exciting information with our favorite app, Excel. See everybody.